planner friends, thanks for joining me for my monthly spread. I am doing the month of May and I found these really awesome, they are wall decal stickers that I found at Daiso, and they are huge and I think they are just so pretty. So I think I'm going to try using this one. And I also got this stack of, it's called sticker flakes. Sticker Flakes Fluttering Cherry Blossom, and there is quite a variety of different stickers in here. So I'm gonna see how this works out, and hopefully it's gonna turn out pretty good. Let's see. Alright, so there is quite a variety you can see here. I really like some of these. They have different shades, and that actually made me think of the washi tape that I'm probably going to try and use with it. This I also got from Daiso, so I think this one is going to be pretty good to go along with that. And I also have this purple one that's going to match, but it's got some words on it, so I don't know if this is really something I want to use or not. I think it says, there it says love you and thank you, so a little bit strange, but we'll see how it goes. And as you guys know, I am not good with using washi tape, so that's always a challenge for me. Isn't that pretty? Maybe I'll just stick all the stickers down exactly like that. Kidding. Okay, let's see how this goes. right, guys, this is it. Look, I used the entire sheet of stickers, this big ginormous sheet. I used every single one. I am so proud of myself. I do have a couple of scraps that are left, but they are so tiny I can't really use them anywhere. So I really like the way that this looks. This just totally makes me so happy. I do have the washi tape that I was thinking of using, but now that I'm looking at this monthly spread, I don't think that it really needs any washi. And this one is, I don't think it matches. I don't think this washi is Japanese blossoms. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that as it is. I do want to mark the days that I have things like my work schedule and bills due and whatnot, but I think I am probably just gonna do that with maybe a gold pen dot or just write it in. But overall, this is it, and I am really excited. I have another sticker sheet that I am probably going to use for next month, or maybe at some point during this month. It's more Japanese blossoms, and these are wall stickers, but the way that they peel off, it's exactly the same as any clear stickers that you would find in any of our planner sticker books. So let me know what you guys think. I am very happy with this. Hopefully you enjoyed my video and this process, and let me know what you think, and let me know if you've ever used stickers that weren't meant for sticker books or for planners, if you have ever used them in any different way, kind of like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.